Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add another status into your Dubsado projects? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First up, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a new status into Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through Dubsado, you know that by default, they have two statuses. Going to be a lead, and then it's a job. But if you're running a business, you know there's usually a lot more steps in between getting the lead and closing the deal. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new status into your, up here on the top left, click on projects. Okay, once you do that, you can see that in this account, there's only two lead statuses. So a lead and then a job. But let's say that we want to track our jobs from lead and then review and then jobs. What we're going to do is over here on the right, click on customize. Okay, so here we can go ahead and see all of the project statuses. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add status here on the top right. And I'm going to go ahead and put this as negotiation. Okay, I'm going to leave it at lead, and then I'm going to click save. Now, if we go back to our projects, okay, now we have under our leads, we can have all leads, and then we can have negotiation. Let me go ahead and correct the spelling on that. Okay, there's the correct spelling. Okay, and I'm going to go back to projects. Okay, so I have one project right here, this one called Chinese restaurant. And now what we can do is we can change the status from lead no status, and we can change it to lead negotiation. So that way my coworker can easily check in here and see that we're negotiating this contract. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add another lead status into your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.